I just want to tell you about this shirt I got from Amazon. It's made from Aptro. It's a very lightweight, breathable, and sizable shirt. This is a 2XL and it's very breathable. It fits right and it's just perfect for the right time, especially now that we're in the summertime with the hot weather around. You can't go wrong with this shirt. It's very light and moves freely. And the material is made from polyester silk. As you can tell, it feels right on the body. No itchy positions or scratches or anything. With this type of shirt and material, you really don't need any undershirt. It feels right and breathes through right.